Well, howdy everybody. Once again, we are coming to you from somewhere in the middle of nowhere. And today in the middle of nowhere, we're going to wrap up some testing with our new to the channel Savage B22 Precision. And man, this thing made its journey all the way from North Carolina, from J Delta 22. We cannot thank that man enough for all of his support to this channel. Wow. Man, this thing's a shooter. I'm going to tell y'all what. We are surprised. This is how this man could part with this thing is beyond me. But it's here, we're shooting it, and man, it's doing a great job. We just got done with some SK Standard Plus, and wow. I don't think I'm going to be able to shoot a different rifle again, but that's probably a lie. We still love our 597. Yeah, we've got some getting used to doing on this one, but we're doing fine, so whatever. I think I can move the scope back just a hair and we could probably get a bit more comfy, but that's here nor there because we're doing a fine job. And now we are going to try out our favorite SK pistol match, and we're going to see what it does in this rifle. We've got our bench rest marksman target down there at 50 yards, and we're going to give it a go. We've got a number of rounds already on that target, but we've got 4 empty slots for 4 5-round groups. So let's see what we can do with this stuff, man. We got high hopes. So, we're going to start on the top row, third target from the right, or the center target on the top row. So, let's see what this brings us. That's just about where we want to be. So let's hope that the rest of them go right there too. Ouch. That was on me, guys. So learning the new rifle. There's another one in the same place, so maybe. Remember, there's been no fouling shots or anything, so that one seemed to shoot high. So let's move over one and put 5 more. Maybe it's finding its place. Well, guys, I lost count. Still not looking too bad. I don't know if that was 4 or 5. Let's run one more on that same target. Looks like it's starting to settle in. And we'll move to the next target. That was a failure to fire. Wouldn't expect that. Again. Oh, that's because we are out of ammo. That was not a failure to fire. We're just getting carried away, boy, because we're having a good time. Wow, this rifle. You see the ease of that bolt? Man, oh man. Alright, now we're moving over a target. Looks like our point of impact is shifting a little. Doesn't matter if it's going to do that. That may have been me, guys. That one went back up there with that other high one. That opened up a bit. It's okay. Let's move to the target directly underneath it. I need to find a high spot on the bag. Alright, man. Last group of the day. Maybe we can finish strong. Ooh. That was totally on me. Let's not get so trigger happy. Maybe that's where they're gonna go. Yeah, that's okay, man. It doesn't like this. I got a rifle that does. Does seem to like the Standard Plus a lot, so we're not worried. That's 3 stacked right in there. Is that the last of it? That was the last of it, guys. So, man, not too bad. We ain't arguing with that, not in the least bit. So, let's go down there and take a closer look. Well, here's our target. There's where we started. Nothing really to brag about. I was just kind of getting fouled in, I would suppose. But we got a nice little, I don't know. When it started to come together, we thought we did that. There's 3 right of them in there together. If we measure that, we're right at about a 1/2 inch there. Where are we? About 5/8. But man, them 3 together right there, though. That's about a 1/4 inch. So that'd be nice if it got any better. But moved over to here, man, it just kind of shot all over the place. And then we came down here and it did that again too. But yeah, look, we stacked 3 of them. So I don't think this pistol match, I don't think the pistol match is gonna be the its favorite diet. But we had some, well, man, we can just take a look at that. The Standard Plus did good. So let's turn y'all back around. We'll call that our fouling group. That was the Standard Plus. Standard Plus, that's 1/2 inch. Standard Plus, that was 3/8. Or was that more like a 1/4 inch? And then that happened. So, you know, man, first day on the trigger, behind a brand new to us rifle that I don't know anything about. We're doing pretty good. I'm surprised. Wow. This is a blessing. Thank you, Mr. Delta. Thank you, thank you. Guys, we love y'all. We hope y'all are having a blessed day. We will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.